So, I'm on my paper route. I got interrupted by cars pulling up and asking questions. So, on the other side of this train is my paper route. Right through there, you can see it. It's my driving route. And I got some neighborhoods over there. I came up to the train. He's one engine halfway across the street. Looks like he's starting up now. But I pulled up, he told me I had to go around because somewhere down the line where them two yellow shirts are at, he came off the track. So he's been sitting here for a good hour. And have you ever seen solar panels? You got one there, on train cars. All these train cars have solar panels. I ain't never seen that before. Pretty amazing. But yeah, right down there, the little specks, wish I had my real camera. Right there. I'm taking it that's where he came off the track. Well, we're about to go that way and find out. But yeah, 4 engines, one halfway over the road, but you can't go around because the gates are down. And I still got all these papers to deliver, plus a basket. So yeah, he's blocked the train tracks.